Guys, welcome into Crypto Info, Blockchain Made Easy. With the Crypto Tank, we have a different background here and no makeup. We're a mess. We're out off site this morning. We are on vacay. Yeah, we're enjoying a vacation while the crypto market jumps. Let's go ahead and quickly. This is only, we are here to have fun. We're here to give you some cryptocurrency updates and news. We're not the most current channel like that. We don't jump on with extra, or, the breaking thing all the time. We try not to use breaking. We used it a little while ago, but anyway, yeah, we're more of just kind of like a general information channel. And so what we're going to cover today is, of course, Bitcoin jumping. And I've got some notes here. ETF inflows. So here's what's going on. Here's the breakdown from, I'll put this here so I can be looking at you instead of looking at off to the side. Even if I did that, hang on one sec, this is going to help a lot. First time off site, guys, first time off site. Okay, so if I did this, then essentially, good. A little bit sideways, but not horrible. How about this? Oh, much better. Okay. Well, there you have it. So, let's go ahead and get my camera faced a little better. And then I've got my notes, but at least I'm not looking off into the distance. So here's what's going on. Bitcoin's all-time high overnight, especially across Asia and European markets, spiked and went into price discovery. Thank you. ETF inflows have hit record highs for the fifth week straight. BlackRock, Fidelity, and Franklin Templeton saw $2.1 billion inflow net BTC ETF inflows this week alone. Rumors of a pivot in China. China's digital currency policies sparked a global surge in sentiment. Also AI-driven quant models. There's that to consider. Many now have BTC targets north of 120,000 by year end. I feel that's kind of low. I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational and informational purposes only. Don't forget to tap the like, subscribe button below. Don't forget the Caleb link down below so you can learn where to on and off ramp your crypto. But 120K, little weak. Yep. We're going to have to see market movers. My prediction, by year's end, 150. 150,000. We'll have to see. Market movers. Ethereum trading. Ooh. Okay. I'm not going to get into all that. I have a whole section of my notes on that. You Ethereum fans, you'll have to find an Ethereum channel. I'm sorry. CPI data came in cooler than expected Friday, pushing DXY down and inflating risk on assets. International investors are also de-risking fiat exposure, especially in South America and parts of Asia, pouring into BTC. Also, layer 2 scaling and AI and blockchain infrastructure projects are pulling VC interest back as well. Meaning pulling VCs back in and they're throwing more money in. So, big mover there. Big instrumental mover. Historical content and why this feels different from before. But this time it's different. You don't understand. All right, let's zoom out here. March 2024, Bitcoin hit 74,000 pre-halving. Everyone said that's it, tops in there. And then fall 2024, some macro headwinds and election uncertainty, Ethereum ETF delay. Everything just felt frozen at that time, if you guys remember. Now in July 2025, not just a relief rally, this is structurally different now. And it is. The charts say it's different, is the point. Why? Because spot ETF liquidity is acting like an on-ramp for institutional FOMO. And with regulations coming, look out. Also, supply shock, post-halving issuance cut and long-term hodler supply at record highs, according to wallets, at record highs. De-dollarization narrative is the third point to bring up here, gaining steam worldwide. BRICS isn't stopping, but we're going to have to see because how that all shakes out, because the stable coins are going to stabilize the dollar because of U.S. treasuries need to be held to keep them pegged 1-to-1 with the U.S. dollar. We're not seeing crypto come back now. We're watching this mature into a parallel financial system here. This is kind of what we knew this run would be, this bull run, and we're not. No one can call the top, but I think everybody agrees we have not hit our top yet. Let's do a community check-in on-chain here. Okay, let's get the numbers here that are actually literally the numbers under the hood. Glassnode data shows over 88% of Bitcoin supply is in profit. This is historically where euphoria starts climbing in because of that data point. It is a pretty key metric, isn't it? Pretty key indicator. I mean, gas fees on Ethereum are up but not choking, indicating healthy demand, not spam. DEX volumes, Uniswap, and Sushi seeing 11 bill up in daily volume. That's $11 billion. Highest since 2021. Whale wallet activity spiking on both BTC and Ethereum. By the way, this is a gorgeous spot where I am. I have to just say that because I'm thinking and realizing how beautiful it is here and how nice it is to be on this gorgeous, which I'm not going to go turning this around and showing, but a beautiful wraparound porch that is well covered for, the violent thunderstorms. Wow, what a beautiful place. Nice job, guys. Let's carry on with today's episode. Let's get into, all right, let's ask this question. Where do you think Bitcoin's going by the end of the year, price-wise? Given that it's at 119,000 or so right now, where do you think it's going? I hope this camera can keep up with the fast hands and it's not doing a jittery thing with the hands moving. What are your thoughts, guys, on this Sunday morning? You two that are in here. I'm calling 150,000. I don't know. We're going to have to see what the future has in store for all of us. Yeah. I just don't know what to say. Meaning beyond about 150,000 is my call. And then I do know what to say beyond that. Then we're going to see money start flowing into the utility coins, and we could see what we saw just recently was utility coins jumping as well along with Bitcoin, which does show kind of like that this time is different. Watch this continue with Bitcoin. My opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. My opinion here on the channel, watch. It's a new environment, sorry. Watch Bitcoin continue to rise and watch the utility coins follow along with. Let's just see. Can't call it. All right. Yeah, today's market is really crazy stuff.